Today we are going to discuss about test complete automation. We all know test complete is an automation tool which is used to automate our functional cases and also the regression test cases. And moving to the next slide. We can use test complete for web application, desktop application, and the mobile applications. And the test complete functional test can be created in the form of keyword test or the script. Both can be recorded or created from the scratch. Test complete support scripting in JavaScript, JScript, Python, VBScript, etc. So first we need to start how to record the test cases. So for that, first open the test complete and then create a project. Whatever the project name, you can give it based on the site or the URL you are going to do, and use keyword test, project suite, and the keyword test name, and with the name mapping. These are the main things you should know. Okay, then moving to next slide. Start the records test. When we create the project suite, when we'll get a window, then there it will be a record test with the red button. So just click on that red button, then you can start recording it. Okay, then whatever the actions you want to perform on the site, for example, you need to select a mobile from Amazon URL. So go to that Amazon URL and search for that particular mobile, then search it, then add to cart. These are the steps included in our test cases. So once it is done, then click on the stop button. If anything you want to verify it of this product is added to cart or not, you need to verify it, then click on this quick checkpoints or the plus icon, you will see it on the screen. So just click on it, then click on the content text, it will be added to your script. Then moving to the next, you will get the recorder script in this format. Then also we should know what is name mapping. All the object we found during our testing will be mapped to the name mapping. So what is name mapping? Test complete automatically adds all items with which you are interacting to the name mapping repository. For each item, test complete stores the recognition parameters it will later use to find the object in the application. Also for each item, it stores an alias, a short name it uses to address object in test. That is name mapping. Okay, then finally we need to run the recorded test. For that, just above the screen, you will see the run test button. Just click on that run test button. So after the test case completed, then you will get a report. So the report will be in the left hand side. You will see that the project suite logs you will see. Then click on that keyword test log. You will get the report. So this is the record and playback for the test complete automation. That's all. Thank you all.